Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we're going to be drawing Kid Goku, young Goku, from the original Dragon Ball. So, I am on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast when I move my hand and stuff like that. So, we're going to start with eyes. Center point of my page is about here. Well, about there maybe. Where's center? There, yeah. So his eyes are actually down because his hair is so big. So center point is here. We're below center point, and we're going to start with his eyes and his eyebrows. So we're going to go tick like that, and then we go up like so, and then bring it down to a point. A slightly different style to like Goku, adult Goku, who has like the frown in the middle and stuff like that, but you know, slightly easier as well. Like so. So eyebrow on the other side, same thing. Like so. Of course, some of this is covered by hair. Like this. Like so, and then his eyes, right? So different style eyes than we're used to. So like sort of just bigger, more cartoonish. So coming down that way, and then same on that side, and then his pupil just here, half circle, sort of curving around, like so. That. Okay, you could add another line inside here if you wanted, you know, but not 100% necessary. Sometimes they're there, sometimes they're not. So it's kind of up to you what you want to do. So his nose is here, and then he's got a standard smiling mouth, like so. And we got those Dragon Ball cheek marks. A little bit different, kind of a simpler sort of style, like so. And then his chin. So just down here, not so much of a pointy adult style chin, more round baby sort of face, okay? But in general, this distance, so say eyebrows to nose, is about the same as nose to chin, right? So nose halfway between eyebrows and chin, and then bottom lip halfway between nose and chin. So like here to here is about the same as here to here. So different, his eyes are way bigger. So it's eyebrows to nose, top of his eyebrows to nose is about the same as nose to chin. So from here to here is the same as here to here. So they're the kind of proportions you want to look at. So his face then comes up the side. Roundy sort of face because he's a child. So bring it up there, stop about this level, and then you'll curve up around like so, and then we go up for the side of his face. Like so, and similar on this side. So his ears will come out from here. So we go big Dragon Ball ears. Goes down like so. So it's like in line with his eyebrow and in line with his nose. You do the same thing on this side. Like that. And then curve line here. Curve line there. Doop, doop. Right, so hair. Classic sort of Goku hair, right? So we got some like fringe spikes coming across here, coming across his eyebrow, 2 of them, and then a bigger one goes down here, and then to there, maybe a bit higher. Yeah. And then, oh, maybe, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, just a bit taller than that side. And then we go down to there, and then back up. This one comes down across his eyebrow, and then back up here. And then we have another one coming in along his face, back up to his ear. And every now and then we can have like a stray hair, like that. Okay, and then we're gonna do the hair spikes that go all around his head. So coming out from his ear here, go out to there, back in. And then we gradually get kind of bigger as we go out. So there. And similar on this side. So a small one at first, and then big one. So pretty even, but they're different now on the side up from here. So let me show you what I mean. So this goes up, like so, and then back in, and then this one comes up here, and then we go into there, and then we got like a small one there. And then we've got the round sort of crown of his head. So it comes up like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 real big ones, right? So 1. So, straight up, and then another real big one that way, and then bring it down, and then another one, real big, and then back into here. Like so. So you got like 3 massive ones here, small ones on this side, and then every now and then a stray sticking off. So his neck real small. Pretty sure this is how you draw Goten as well. So collar for his uniform just here, small chest muscles. And like a curved line just there, and then his shoulders bumping for his clothing comes down like that. So these are like the sleeves bumping and comes in like that, and then his body will come down just here. Body comes down just here, and then his arms. So shoulders. And like, there's not much in the way of muscle going on, so it goes down like so, and then kind of round, baby-like arms. You could see some of his wristband just there, and same sort of thing here. Maybe some wristband, and then small bicep just there. And right, so then his crest, and it's like a circle just on his chest here, like like so. And we've got some Chinese writing inside. So we do sort of straight line down the middle. And this has like a leg that kicks out the bottom. And then box on top. And with a bigger box underneath. Like this. And then this has a line coming across the center. And a line coming across the center. And then some sort of top on this. And you can thicken up the edge of his crest here. And some of these edge lines should be thicker as well. So it's like calligraphy. So it's kind of tricky to draw, but we try our best here at Art.Simple. Like so, and his tail. So curving out from his shoulder, down around, back in to there. You can probably see some of it coming down here. And then you can add some like texture lines just on his tail here if you want. And his stick. Will we have a stick? Yeah, I'll put it on. It's usually on that side, but I'm gonna put it on this side because his tail is there. Okay, so we got like just a cylinder coming out here, and then some more of the stick comes out the top. With like an ellipse on top, just there. And then we have to have a string coming across his body. Goes right down his waist, tying on his stick back here. So, and I'll just erase those lines for his clothing that we shouldn't see. And then we're done. So there it is, how to draw Kid Goku. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.